What is this?
This is a report card. This is a report card. A report card. This is a report card.
What is this used for?
A report card shows a student's grades. A report card. A report card. Shows. A student's. Grades. A report card shows a student's grades.
What is this?
This is a microwave. This is a microwave. A microwave. This is a microwave.
What is this used for?
A microwave is a device used to quickly heat food. A microwave. A microwave is a device. A device used to quickly heat food. A microwave is a device used to quickly heat food.
What is this?
This is a remote control. This is a remote control. This is a remote control.
What is this used for?
A remote control operates devices from a distance. A remote control. A remote control operates devices from a distance. A remote control operates devices from a distance.
What is this?
This is a xylophone. This is a xylophone. A xylophone. This is a xylophone.
What is this used for?
A xylophone makes music with wooden bars and mallets. A xylophone. A xylophone makes music with wooden bars and mallets. A xylophone makes music with wooden bars and mallets.
What is this?
This is a curtain. This is a curtain. A curtain. This is a curtain.
What is this used for?
Curtains are used to cover windows. Curtains are used to cover windows. Curtains are used to cover windows.